Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you all here. I'm going to be showing you how I decorate my command center. Every month I switch up the decor here and give it a theme. This month's theme is fall. Fall is around the corner and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. Here I am clearing off the calendar and getting it ready for the month of September. A lot of the items I'm going to be using in this video are repurposed items. I will try to link as many items as I can down in the description box below. But like I said, a lot of them are repurposed. All the tags, like the name tags that I will be putting on my calendar, are from a pocket calendar I purchased from Amazon a while ago. I just put some magnet strip on the back and they stick perfectly to my whiteboard. This pumpkin banner can be purchased at Joann's. That's where I found this one. But I've bought so many from the Target Dollar Spot, and Walmart has some great deals. They're like $1. They're paper banners, but you could totally save them and reuse them for the next year. All the cute felt items that I'm going to be putting on the wall for decoration, I got them at the Dollar Tree. They have so many cute items there. They were putting out the Halloween stuff when I went to my store, and I'm so excited to show you guys the October Command Center. So go check out your Dollar Trees. I hope this video inspired you to decorate your command center. I would love it if you would consider subscribing and liking this video. Let me know down in the comments what was your favorite decoration item I used. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.